Hello and welcome to yet another video on SDD presented by your mentor Vivek. Every Workshop Hub file is on the server. Now we make it fast, safe and ready to install. 3 jobs today. A performance symlink over SSH, the production database and backups. SSH sounds scary. It's 4 commands. Let's go. In the hosting panel, search for SSH and open Ssh Access. It starts disabled, flip it on. Click Change Password and set one. Then copy the ready-made SSH command the panel hands you. Host, port, username, all baked in. Open a terminal, command prompt on Windows, terminal on Mac or Linux. Paste the command, enter, answer yes. Then the password, heads up, it types blind, no characters appear. Type carefully, enter, and you're on your server. Navigate in, cd domains, then your domain folder. Type the first letter and hit tab to autocomplete. Then cd public HTML. List the files and you'll spot a storage folder. Delete it. rm at rf storage. It's just a stale copy. The real storage lives in the app root. Run pwd to grab the full path, then create the symbolic link lns, the real storage.app.public path, and the name storage right here in public HTML. Now storage in public CO HTML is a shortcut to the real files. Images get served straight from the public folder. No duplication, better performance. That's Laravel's storage link, done by hand. You can disable SSH now. Back in the panel, search databases and create a new one. Name it something obvious. Workshop Hub bot prod. Same idea for the username, plus a strong password. Click Create and write all 3 down. The installer asks for them next lesson. phmyadmin is right there too if you ever want to inspect tables visually. Last stop, backups. Make sure automatic backups are on. Workshop Hub holds real student data and real bookings, and a backup schedule is the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Symlink created, database ready, backups on. Open your site's URL, and there it is, the Workshop Hub installation wizard waiting. Up next, the finale. We run that phase 1 installer and bring the app to life. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.